Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Hello and welcome to Flutter job sharing application with Firebase Firestore as backend. So in this course you will learn and develop fully functional LinkedIn and Fiverr clone app. This is our login page, and if a user is new, then the user has to go to the sign up page in order to create a brand new account. So let's just quickly create a new account. So I choose image from the gallery. You can also capture with the phone camera, and then you can crop the image according to your need. For example, I can crop it like this. Okay, and now you have to provide. Now here is the option. You can invisible the password and you can make the password visible, okay, from here. So let's just sign up. After successful sign up, you are redirected to the home screen, or you can say the job screen, where you can see different jobs from different companies. For example, Apple has posted this job, then Microsoft Corporation Company has posted this job, and then WITS Private Limited Company posted this job, and so on. You can see the jobs from different companies, and also you can see the jobs from individuals, as you can see here. So just like in LinkedIn and in Fiverr, or also in the Upwork, you can see the details of any job, okay, in this application. For example, if I want to check the details of this job, which is from Apple company, okay, then I will simply click on it, and it will show me the details of this specific job from Apple company, okay, and here is the company address and how much people has applied for architect engineer jobs. You can see here, okay, that is 389 people applied for this job. Then we have the job description, which you can see here. They say that we need an architect engineer for our new office design and its construction, and so on. And then here it is showing that is this company Apple is recruiting actively. So you can send your resume by clicking here on this button, which is easy apply now. Here is the uploaded on and deadline date for this job, okay, which is architect engineer for Apple company. So this specific job uploading date and the deadline date is here, you can see. Then here you can see these two buttons. If I click here, then it basically show you the comments, that is these people have comment for this specific job, okay. On this specific job post, these people has add some comments. For example, Peter Roberts, George Jones, and this user, okay, you can read their comments. Now let's say if I want as a user to add a comment, let's say I will say I love Apple company, okay, I also applied for this job. So I will click on post. Your comment has been added, and now if I show you, then here you can see here is my name, Mohammed Ali Zaid. I love Apple. I also applied for this job. So I mean, different user who apply for different jobs, they can also start conversation in the comment section, okay, for each job. For example, for this job, which is for the architect engineer from Apple company, here is some conversation in the comment section from these different users, which you can see here. Similarly, you can see the jobs, different jobs from different companies. For example, from Microsoft, you can see here, and then let's check chartered accountant, WITS Private Limited. Here you can see the total applicants, and so on. You can also see different jobs from different individuals. So let's check this job, which is from individual whose name is Jordan Jones. Here is, you can see the address of Jordan Jones. So Jordan Jones need a plumber, okay. Here you can see the job description. Hello everyone, I need a plumber for 1 week to do my new home plumbing task. And you can read the description, and you can see the uploading date and the deadline date for this job. Similarly, there are some other jobs also from other individuals, like this individual Peter Roberts need a driver for family, and this person, this individual whose name is Alizef407. Let's check the details of this job. Okay, this person, or you can say this individual, need a cook urgently, and this individual name is Alizef407. Here is the job description, here is the applicants. Now what if I want to apply for this job, need cook urgently, which is posted by this job poster whose name is ALIZEB407. So I will simply click on this easy apply now button. Now before I click, please notice this number. Okay, applicant number are 26. Now when I apply by clicking on this button, then it will automatically get the job poster email. Okay, that is, to the job poster email, this email will be sent. Okay, and from it automatically fetch my email also, which is this one. So here is the email title. You can of course edit it. That is, I am a cook. Let's say any title you want for this email. Okay, and here is the default message which you want to send in an email. You can of course edit this. That is, let's say I have attached my CV resume. And how you can attach resume or your CV file, you can simply click here on this icon, okay, and attach file. So let's say you can send any file format. Let's say this is my resume, so I will choose this one, okay, and then I will click send. So sending message. So the email has been sent successfully to the job poster, which is this one. And if I show you, then now you can see the applicant number increase to 27. Okay, earlier it was 26. Then this job poster receive an email, which you can see here. Okay, that is, as you can see here, this is the job poster email, the person who posted the job. Okay, and this is my email from which I sent, or you can say from which I applied. So you can see here, hello, I have attached my resume, I am a cook. Okay, and here you can see the resume file or any file you want to attach. Okay, similarly you can apply for any job you want, as we have thousands, or you can say millions of jobs, okay, here in the job screen, or you can say to the home screen. So let's say if someone want to search for specific job, so what that person will do? Well, here we have a filter. Okay, as you can see here, that is job category. Let's say if someone is a doctor, then doctor will search for job related to doctors. So the person will simply click on doctors, and it will bring all the jobs which are for doctors, which you can see here. That is, currently we have only one job, which is MBBS doctor. Here you can see the job post, the job description, and here is the job poster details and the applicants applied for this job. Then you can similarly search for anyone, let's say for development and programming jobs. Okay, currently there are two jobs for development and programming category, which you can see here: Windows desktop application developer, Flutter app developer, and so on. Let's check for accounting. Then here you can see for the accounting, and so on. Let's check for education and training. Then here you can see education and training also has one job. So this is the filter feature which you will also learn in this course. Okay, a professional filtering implementation. Then the next thing is you can also search specifically for a job from here. Okay, that is when you click on this search button. So here you can type the job. That is, let's say if you are a Flutter developer, then you will definitely search for Flutter job. So I simply write here Flutter, and here you can see Flutter app developer. So I will simply click on it, and it will send me to the details of that job, and I will simply apply from here by clicking on this easy apply now. You can also search for a job, computer science. Here you can see computer science professor. And also you can search for different companies. Okay, that is, let's say you want to search a specific company for which you want to work. Let's say I'm going to search for Apple. So I want to check Apple profile, which you can see here. So you can also contact this Apple company using their email address or their phone number, or here is the WhatsApp and the email and the phone number. If I click on the phone number, then it will automatically dial their number, which you can see here. And then if you want to send email, then we have this button, and for WhatsApp we have this one. So in this way you can search for different companies also. Let's say Microsoft. So here you can see Microsoft Corporation. And as you know that this is my account where I am currently logged in as this user. Okay, this is the email address of this user, Muhammad Ali Zab. So as a user, as I told you, as an individual, you can also become a job poster. Let's say you need a plumber. Then you can simply click here on this add button, and from here you will select the job category. That is which job you are going to post. That is for which category. So let's say I need a cook. So I will simply choose the cook category, or you can choose any category you want. So let's say currently I need a cook for my home. So I choose the cooks category, job category, and then the job title. That is, let's say I will say cook for my home, or so on. Okay, you can just write any title you want. That is, let's say honest cook person. And then of course the job description, need a cook for my home and family, and so on. You can write any description you want. Then the job deadline date, that is when you want the deadline for this job to be ended. So let's say 14, and then I will click OK. So here you can see 14 is selected. So I will click on post now, and this job has been uploaded. So if I go to the home screen, then here you will see that I have posted this job. That is, I need a honest cook person. Here you can see the details of this job which I just posted. No person has yet applied. As you know, this is a new job which I just posted. So this is the job description, and the applicant number for this job is 0, as no one has applied yet. And then here you can see the uploading and deadline date. As this specific job post, which is honest cook person, as this belongs to me, that is Muhammad Ali Zab, then here I also see the recruitment 2 buttons. Now if I show you, the recruitment is on for this job. Okay, so that's why I and also other people will visible, they can see this job. Okay, if I turn off the recruitment for this specific job, let's say I'm going to off it. Okay, I just turn it off, and now if I go to the job screens, then here you will see that that job no longer exists, because I turn off the recruitment for that. That is, that job has been turned off. That is, no one is allowed now to apply for that job. So this is all about all the features which we will implement in this course. The next button we will have is basically the sign out. So let's sign out from the app, and we have also the forget password feature. Let's say you forget your password, so you will simply click on this forget password. All you need is you have to provide your email here. So I will simply provide my email, and then I will simply click on this reset now button. The reset password link has been sent to my email address, and if I show you my email, then you will see it. Here you can see I have received this email. Okay, reset your password for this project, okay, which is our iJob LinkedIn and Fiverr clone app. As you can see here, okay, follow this link to set your password for this account. Okay, ALIZEB438. So I will click on this link in order to reset my password. So here we go, reset your password. Here we have to provide new password. So let's say now my password is, so this is now my password. Okay, I have changed it. I will click on save button in order to save my new password. So you can now sign in with your new password. So password change successfully. Now I will go back to my app, and now if I try to log in with my old password, then I will not be allowed to log in. So first of all, I'm trying with my old password. So let's click on login, and it shows this error: the password is invalid, or the user does not have this password. Okay, so I have to provide my correct password, which I just changed to. So now if I logged in with my new password, then I am logged in successfully, as you can see here. So I hope you will love this course, and yeah, see you guys in the course.